Hey, what's up? This is Jamal Abbott. Thanks for tuning in. Here to talk to you today about checking the status of your 8x8 service. So if you're ever curious about what's going on with your calls, with your meetings, maybe what outages are happening in your part of the world, there's a cool status page that you need to be aware of, and it's at this very page that we're taking a look at here today. In your web browser, you will go to status.8x8.com and it'll take you to this nice web page, which just gives you a simple status overview of what's going on with your services. As we can see here from the top of the page, everything is normal, and this is as of this recording. And then you have different event types that they list out. If you scroll down just a little bit more, we can see that this is broken down by different regions as far as the server status. So we have America, EMEA, which is your Europe, your Middle East and Africa, APAC, so the Asia Pacific area, and this other section here for Fuse. So that's the recent transaction that 8x8 did to acquire the Fuse platform, which is now being integrated with 8x8 services. So going back here over to the Americas status page, we can see it's broken down here by the different application type. We have work calling, messaging, and Teams chat. We also have SMS, the 8x8 website, contact center, JAS or Jitsi as a service, analytics, SIP trunking, Contact Now, which is another contact center platform, and then other services. So everything's normal. And if we wanted to drill down into this a little bit further, click this plus sign, and then you can see what statuses are normal. Inbound, outbound calls, endpoints. So we have the mobile app, so that's work from mobile, desktop, and then desk phone. So lots of good information here. So if you're experiencing problems with your service, this is definitely one of the places to check just to make sure there's no outages. And then if you're still having problems, then you may want to work with your local IT staff just to see if there's anything wrong or anything going on your network. Nothing to point out here. So as we kind of flip through here, so once again, this is pretty much all standard across the different regions. If you scroll down just a little bit more, there's actually some incidents that they post. So there might be some users that are experiencing problems with specific applications, even though there may not be a certain outage happening. 8x8's doing a pretty good job of actually discussing if there's problems across a certain application or for a particular feature set. So you can see here for June 23rd, there's some problems with people getting kicked out of meetings. And here we can see that people were unable to connect to the service in China, as well as some login sessions being affected. So if you're having problems, definitely check out this page. Lots of good information here, and it's definitely one of the things to bookmark as you're using this platform. So if you have any questions about what you're seeing here, definitely hit me up, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.